I'm Michelle Nance from 11th class from St. Paul's School, and today I am here to present an idea of mine that's related to parcel packages to make it more sustainable and eco-friendly. Think about this for a second. Every time you order something online, it gets delivered in cardboard packages, tapes, and bubble wraps. This happens thousands of times per day. Now think of how much our environment is getting polluted intentionally and unintentionally. Unfortunately, right now there is no system that reuses and returns these parcel packages. Here's where my idea steps in. I am introducing you with SPPI, Sustainable Parcel Packaging Initiative. Sustainable Parcel Packaging Initiative introduces you with the reusable bags that are made up of cotton and woolen. These bags are washable. You can wash them and reuse them again and again. These can be used 30 to 40 times. That's great, right? Now, these doesn't only help the environment also, but it helps the self-help groups by empowering the rural empowerment and also Swadeshi production. I hope you like my idea.